Hello there, Void. It's me again. So, I've actually just finished filming a video, so yeah, if you've seen me looking exactly like this before, that would be why. But I'm filming another one. As you probably noticed from the title, this is my Glossybox unboxing video for December. I'm hoping it's going to be sort of Christmassy and wintry and sparkly like the Birchbox was. So, let's get to it. Is that hard for everybody, or is that just me? Like, am I just a weakling, or is this one a bit hard to pull off? I already know the answer. It's me. This is promising. This is the box. It's very pretty. And it's all shiny, and it's called All That Glitters. That's what the box art says. So that gives me hope. Merry Christmas, Glossies.
It's the month to add a sprinkle of glitz and glamour to our beauty collections, and we've not held back. This December, we're bringing you 5 full-sized products plus an extra treat.
Ooh.
3 standout makeup products, 2 skincare gems, and a limited edition mythical body wash.
A mythical body wash. So what, it's not actually in there? It's not actually real? I'm sure that's not what I mean.
We'll ensure you're prepped and in the mood for the magical Christmas season. From kissable berry red lips to radiant skincare and shimmering makeup, our All That Glitters edit is perfect for on-the-go glamour, so you'll look and feel fabulous this party season.
Make me fabulous.
So Glossies, shine bright this Christmas. Your Glossybox team.
That's sweet. Okay. No spoilers. Alright, first item. Cosmic Pink Ruby Glitter Peel-Off Mask. That's a lot. Okay, made with ruby powder, diamond powder, and rosehip oil. Ruby powder and diamond powder. Like, seriously? Precious gemstone powders. How is that a thing? Like, no. Okay. The ingredients actually list ruby powder, sapphire powder, pearl powder, amethyst powder, tourmaline, diamond powder, nephrite powder, among lots of other. That's very interesting. Okay, cool. I'm gonna try it out. See if my face suddenly becomes infinitely more valuable. Next item. Oh, okay, cool. This is from Miko Pro Liquid Jelly Blusher in the shade Bali. So I have to touch it. Oh wow. Okay, that is gloopy. Alright. Let us see. Okay, that's very shimmery. It's good. I didn't put much, but as you can see, it is sort of shimmery pale pink. Seems like it might work for me. I've made a mess of it though. Oh dear. Okay, let's just close that before it makes anything worse. Anyway, that is very pretty. I don't know if you can see it on the finger at all. It just looks shiny on camera. You can't really see the color at all. It is quite pale, but it's not as sort of quite as nothingy as it looks. Anyway, next item. May Beauty, the Incredible Pore Strip with Charcoal Blackhead Remover. Okay, so these are going to be like, I don't know, posh new versions of those Biore things, probably. Okay, just kind of picked something out now blindly. It feels like some kind of pencil. It's, yeah, it looks like a lip pencil. This is, I don't actually know what this brand is. It's either Cloucce, Klook, or Doucce, Klook. I don't think it's a soft C. Loose. Look at the font. The font is weird, right? The font is not super easy to read, so I'm not entirely sure what it says. But the shade is Winterberry, and it is a matte lip crayon. A relentless matte lip crayon, it says. That looks like it's quite pretty. That's... okay, it's like a dark red, which I guess makes sense for Winterberry. So it's sort of a dark, well, yeah, berry, a dark berry color, I suppose, which I like, so very nice. And it's soft, it feels nice. There's a very large thing in here, which is some kind of body washing thing. Ah, yes. Imperial Leather Cosmic Unicorn Limited Edition Moon and Sparkles Unicorn Dust Fantasy Icons Shower Gel. Very sparkly, like spiritually sparkly. I don't know yet if it is physically sparkly or not. I mean, it smells alright. You can't actually tell if it's sparkly, and I've just rubbed body wash on my arm for no apparent reason. But oh yeah, there's like little tiny glitters, little tiny like micro glitter in it. It looks like, so that's festive. And finally, okay, this is like a okay, belated shimmer roll in champagne. So this is another of those roller glitter sort of deals. This one is a slightly less golden color. You can't really. It's there. It's not super visible on camera. It's shiny, and it's a bit more sort of. It looks like it's got like sort of tiny blue and pink kind of micro shimmery particles in it, but mostly on a kind of pale, I guess, champagne base. It's pretty, it's really pretty. I like it better than the other ones I've received, but I was, like, initially I was like, oh, for God's sake, another sort of vaguely kind of goldy, browny looking shimmery thing. But no, this one's really pretty actually. That looks lovely. Cool. That is everything. Although we've got red wormies this time, which are now all over my bed. So yeah, this has been your monthly Glossybox unboxing. I think I'm most interested probably in either the lip crayon or the jelly blusher, just because, well, one, it's a formula I've not really tried, and two, it's a light enough color that it might not make me look insane. Believe it. Inside your box is the Imperial Leather shower gel stuff, pink ruby glitter peel off mask, the Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Winterberry by Deuce liquid blush in Bali, and the Incredible Pore Strip by May Beauty. I guess this is the extra. And the Belated Shimmer Roll. So, short and sweet. That was nice box. I'm excited to try the stuff, and Merry Christmas, everyone. I have a few more videos I'm going to try to get out this month, and hopefully I manage. Either way, see you next time. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bell. I hate saying that. It feels really awkward. Being like, hey, subscribe. But yeah, do, please.